Communication is a bridge between confusion and clarity, and communication is a topic that can be hard to master. Hey everyone, my name is Ambika and in today's video, we'll get to know that how do we communicate effectively so that we can have a good relationship with others. Overcome your social anxiety. What I observe that interacting with others is stressful for many people. If you get worried about talking to the people, then first you must overcome that situation. And for that, what you have to do is, you have to talk to the people. It is as simple as that. Because there is no any other option for this. After interacting with the new people, after some time you will realize that you can handle the situation and you can easily overcome your social anxiety. What I believe that if you are an ambivert, I think you all know what is ambivert. Ambivert is those who have both qualities of introvert and extrovert. So if you are an ambivert, you will be able to connect more efficiently with a broader variety of people. And what I feel that I am also an ambivert because sometimes I behave like introvert that I don't want to talk to anyone, and sometimes I behave like extrovert. So it depends on my mood, situation and the people around me. If you can switch between being reserved and being social, then you are also an ambivert. Ambiverts don't mind of working alone or in a group, and they can easily interact with the people. Be polite. You should be polite when you talk to the people or interact with the people. And you can add some things like thank you and please in your conversation and let them finish what they are speaking before you start talking. Your nature can change the things and also it can change the way of thinking of the other person. Don't give unwanted advice. Do you have one of those friends who love to give advice even when you don't ask for it? I think we all have that kind of friends. On this, what I want to tell you that while interacting with others, before giving advice, you should wait until they ask for your advice. And if they don't ask, then don't give it to them. This is the most important thing that you should remember. And if you are confused that you should give advice them or not, then a good question you can ask, do you want me to listen or want me to help for solving your problem? This will give you the answer that they want your advice or not. The biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand. We listen to reply. So while communicating, please remember that don't give unwanted advices. Make eye contact. If you feel shy around new people, then you may find yourself by avoiding eye contact. Looking someone in the eyes makes you appear more friendly and confident, and it helps you to understand what the other person is thinking and feeling. It also ensures that you are putting your focus on the other person. So, eye contact can help you to interact with the new people more effectively. So guys, by adopting these points in your daily conversation, you will feel more confident and I'm sure it will help you to overcome your social anxiety. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.